Hey guys, today we're gonna do a raw unboxing of the monsterarts Skar King from Godzilla: The New Empire. Ooh, do that. So this is gonna be a raw unboxing. So there's gonna be no cuts. It's just gonna be first reactions, or at least my first reactions. Hey man. Egg. There's the top. Very climactic. And there, Skar King. Yeah. There's the side of the box. And I've heard that the Beast Glove is also compatible with other monsterarts Kongs. So like the 2021 version, 2021 San Diego Comic-Con version. So I got the San Diego Comic-Con version coming in. So that's the guy who's going to get the Beast Glove. Yeah. Bottom is just labeling. So, let's see the figure. There he is. There's his cheeks. And there is Skar King. I will say, in person, his head is a lot better. The eyes are really well painted. There's slight blue with white. And the other head doesn't look like it has pupils like this one. It comes with a lot of hands. So it comes with at least 8 pairs. And then the Kong has some extra too. This guy have any tape? I don't think he is. I think he's just a locking one. And I'm really interested to see, because I'm really interested to see the whip, the bone whip that he comes with. I don't think I'm gonna get that. Just gotta put this guy back in the box, or at least lousily back into the box. He feels a lot more hefty than he looks. Like, you think he'd be lighter, but he's not that light. I thought the arm joints would be better. Double jointed, but you only get that much motion. And then, yeah, that's another issue. Yeah, that's probably gonna be a gripe for some people. But, oh, see it, there it is. I don't think you can get that to go up further. So you can look up a little bit, but not that much. And down just a little bit. It looks like he has a lot more chest articulation. So that's going to be good. Top one doesn't seem to do much. Oh, never mind. So that top helps with the ab crunch. And the paint is good. We got toe bend. And of course, what everybody wants this figure for, the dumpy. I don't think anything's gonna really fall off or wiggle much. Knees seem to be good. That's kind of weird. You know, you'd think this seam would only be for, the swivel. But it actually helps with the lift. With the beautiful spread. So, let's see his accessories. Let's see, can I get him to stand? Try bending these out. There he goes. He just... Oh, that popped off. That easily popped on too. Probably for the alternate head, which we can look at now. Seems decent. The paint looks a lot better in person than some of the images. I'll definitely say that. The eyes are really well painted. Teeth don't look to have any, say, major mess ups. Yeah. Now, let's see the beast glove. That far in, far outish. Wiggles a little bit. Oh, that popped off. So there's two parallel sides to these. And they do kind of pop off. Well, it looks like they have some wiggle room in there. And then, yeah, bicep swivel. Yeah, it seems to be good. A reaching hand and then a closed hand. And it looks like a knuckle walking hand for Skar King. A reaching hand. And then probably, yeah, like a fist. Now, let's see the bone whip. I will say the paint is a little bit lacking. Take this off real quick. I will say it is like a nice clearish blue. Yeah, it's nice. And yeah, it's bendy wire. Doesn't seem to have any of the like breathing ridges on the inside. Does he just hold it with this? Yeah. So he holds it with those hands. Hmm. Yeah. See if I can get the hand off now. So it seems like the handle is like same plastic, flexible. That's good. Oh, those actually are kind of sharp. Just eh. The tip isn't that sharp. It'd be neat if they made it detachable so then figures could actually hold it, like at the end of the movie, where they actually, battle over it. Probably should angle this down a little bit. Yeah. That's not too decent. I get him more. Actually, that's really good. So that's what you get for an ab crunch. And he bends that far back. Arms move that far up-ish. And then yeah. Does have a swivel too. We might get that inner piece, Yeah, then his arms can move in and out. So yeah. He can goody. Now let's see if he can stand. Stand on his own. There he goes. Now, let's get some other figures. My previous review, well, short form review, SH Monster Arts Mogira. Let's get the SH Monster Arts, just like Heisei, was it 1991? Heisei Godzilla. Heisei Godzilla is a little bit shorter than the Skar King. Then, let's do the basic, exquisite basic, normal Godzilla. He's a lot taller. For reference, let's get yardstick. So he is little under, a little under 7 inch. Godzilla's standing a little over 7 inch. So yeah. Just set him down. Might have to get him like a stand on my extras. So yeah. It's not too bad. Painting on the figure, I'd say it's good if not decent. There are some parts where I'm just confused, like why is that gray? So like that makes sense, but then there's a ridge. Not sure if that's accurate or not. There. And yeah. And kick that far up. So you can give you a high five. And yeah, I think that's a barbell joint too. So there's like two sections of the hand. You've got hand part and just like a connecting part. Which I will admit is very weird. You're just giving the figure more weak points. So yeah, those were my basic thoughts on the Skar King and everything else in the box. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye bye. You'll get a review when the other figures come in, which I cannot tell you what they are, despite the fact that I already told you what one of them is previously. Yeah. When he looks down, that's normal. But when he looks up, it's just thick. Thick neck. Looking down, normal. Looking up,